Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel then welcome. So today I have created this really beautiful glitter cool toned eye makeup look for my Navratri makeup series. This is my fourth look and I have paired this eye makeup with nude lips. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to achieve this look then please keep on watching. So today I'm going to start with my eye makeup first. So सबसे पहले I'll apply concealer on my eyelids and then I'll set my concealer with my loose powder. So let's apply the concealer. मेरा नया friend आया है मुझसे मिलने के लिए. And now let's set this concealer with my RCMA loose powder. तो आज जो मैं मेकअप करने वाली उसके लिए मुझे ऐसा शार्प एज चाहिए, इसलिए मैं अभी अपना ये जो स्कॉच टेप है उसे मैं यहाँ पे स्टिक करूँगी. वैसे तो मैंने अपना कंसीलर लगाया लेकिन आई बेस की ऐसा ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट स्टिल आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई माई पैक्स आई बेस. दिस वन इज़ इन नंबर 06 और इसे मैं अपने फिंगर से ही अप्लाई करूँगी. So I'll just quickly finish this side of my eye makeup and I'll be right back. So this is what I have done. It's still incomplete. जो eyeliner सब कुछ है वो मैं थोड़ा end में ही apply करूँगी. So let's get started with this side of eye makeup. So today I'm using Huda Beauty's Obsession palette. This is their Smoky Obsessions. So first I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow. So I'm taking it on my flat shader brush and then I'm going to wet my brush with my setting spray. So for the other half of my lid, I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow. And for this one also, I'm going to wet my brush. I'm going to pull this inwards. And now I'm again going to just go in with this light eyeshadow. Now this step is completely optional. I'm going to go in with my glitter eyeshadow, but if you want you can just keep it like this and apply your black eyeliner, but I want to go in with my glitter eyeshadow, so I'm going to apply that. So for my glitter today I'm using STILA's Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and this one is in the shade Smoldering Satin. So let's move on to skin now. So first I'm going to prime my skin with my Marc Jacobs primer. So for my foundation today I'm going to apply Huda Beauty's 4 Filter Foundation. This one is in the shade Baklava. For my concealer, I'm going to go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger. And now I'm going to set my concealer and foundation with my RCMA translucent powder. So for my bronze, I'm going to go in with the Balm's Take Home the Bronze. This is the anti-orange bronzer in the shade Thomas. For my blush, I'm using my Tarte's Blush Bazaar palette, and I'm going to go in with this one. So I'll be going in with this blush. It's called Angelic. And for my highlighter, I'm going to apply Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. So let's finish rest of the eye makeup. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to apply Sugar's I Want You So eyeliner. For my waterline, I'm going to apply K-Beauty's ONYX Kajal. I've reviewed this kajal on my channel, so I'll link the video in the description box or somewhere here. So today I'm going to use two mascaras. For my upper lashes, I'm going to go in with KIKO Milano's Extra Sculpt Waterproof Mascara. And for my lower lashes, I'm going to apply Benefit's Roller Lash Mascara. So for my lip color today, I'm going to apply Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Truffle. And I'm going to set my makeup with Milani's Make It Dewy Setting Spray. I'm going to finish off this look by applying 3 dots on my chin, and I'm using my Milani Stay Put liquid eyeliner. I'm thinking यहाँ पर भी ये मैं dots apply करूँ. Let's see. ये थोड़ा बड़ा लग रहा है, but these small ones look so much better. तो मैं ये wipe off करने वाली हूँ अभी because it's too big. So this makeup tutorial comes to an end, guys, and I really hope that you liked this makeup look, and if you did, then do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also please hit on that bell icon so you don't miss out on future uploads, and I shall see you guys very soon in my next one. Until next time, keep reviving your own fashion.